all be quiet.
Someone found a pepperoni. Oh, someone find a pepperoni. Oh. Listen, pup. If you're getting any pepperoni, you're not gonna beg me for it. So. Nope.
I have no idea.
Good, good boy. Just sitting down for your treat, huh? Yeah.
It sounded like it hit the cupboard before, didn't it?
Yeah, put another one in here.
Somebody will find it in your food.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, whenever you're down to go, I'm down to.
You're fine. Yeah, you're fine.
Who's a good boy? Who's that good boy? Yeah.
It has to be like moved up over this metal flat. This part right here.
This here.
Yes, but these are screwed together. Don't
Stop! Would you stop?
Don't use this. What are you doing? You're gonna
Hey, go on.
break it. All you
Go on.
gotta do is move this one up on the metal flat, but I gotta take it all apart
Okay,
and
you gotta-
unscrew it to do that.
You gotta move one up on the middle flat.
Okay, see how this is straight?
Yeah.
Let's see how eventually when I know what I did wrong. I'll show you. I'm always ready.